Hello, and let's learn about internal styling in CSS. Okay, so in the last video, we learned about inline styling. Now, today we'll be learning about internal styling. So, let me just put it across here for you that what exactly are we going to, what exactly are we going to do it over here? It is like this. I want to keep it here. So this is what I'm going to discuss here. Now see, in the last class, what happened if I am creating so many headers, so many values, what happens? You have to put style again and again and again. So what is the best way of doing it? Suppose I put another heading, say good morning. Okay, this is one. Then I have another heading which says, not let me put h1 only, and I'm going to say it is good evening, like this. So now what will I do? The next part which I'm going to do is I'm going to write it over here like this, style, and I'm going to close this as usual we do it. And then what we will do next is, suppose I want to do h1, so I'll say h1 curly bracket, and then I'm going to close here. Now here you can write whatever you want to write. Suppose you want to change the background color to say aqua. So see what happened in the when we were doing the inline styling, you have to write it every time over here, like one time here, second time here, third time, three times you'll have to write. But if you have to apply the same thing to all the three backgrounds, you can directly put it here. Okay, now suppose instead of this I want another thing, and that is like, you know, just give me 1 second. I'm going to say color, and maybe I want a white color on this. So can you see the background color has also changed and the text color has also changed. Okay, so this is what I want to say, like same thing if you want to apply here. Okay, so that's what we are trying to say when we are trying to say internal styling. So you just put it inside the style bracket like the way we used to open it, and then there you can say h1, open the curly bracket and put whatever you want. Okay, so that's how we do the styling or coloring, or maybe we say internal styling is about. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next video.